We're going to start on the pump shoe, trying to get that thing removed. I guess to start with, we're going to go ahead and pull all 4 screws, get those out of the way, and then I've got my heat gun. I'm going to start heating the glue up and see if we can go ahead and get this thing out of here. Pretty much I just kept consistently, running the edges until I got these, and then I would hit underneath a little bit here until I finally got that knocked loose. And then I went down here and here. I haven't taken this out yet, so it's kind of in the way to go down and knock that loose. Did this, and then I had one of these. It's kind of sloped. I stuck it right there and then hit it with my hammer, and as you can see, I've pretty much busted all of it loose now. It's just a matter of getting it out. And there it is. Now you can see the cracks a whole lot better. Cracked in the middle, cracked here and here. That may have been a prying type crack right there. Now we just gotta clean all this excess glue and try to patch some of these little areas back up and get it ready for the next one. So this is the Blowsion pump shoe. Ended up having to drill out and tap these holes, put some screws in to put the intake grate on. But once I done that, mocked it up and everything, and it worked out great. I'm gonna install pump shoe and all that, jet pump. So I got this cleaned and all that. I got the 4200 sealant's what I'm going to use for the jet pump. I mean the pump shoe. So get this put on there. I'm going to install it. They suggest I'm going to put the jet pump in there too, kind of keep everything good and secure. So I got the new seal as well. I'm going to put on it. We'll bolt it up and let it dry. Well, we got the jet pump installed, the pump shoe, and the plate, or not the plate, but the, wow, I forgot the name of it, but the scoop for it and all that. So, got everything bolted up, got the glue in, got the exhaust sealed up, got everything, new seal put in there. So she should be ready to rock and roll. All I gotta do now is hook up the lines and everything and run the cable. But getting there, got to get it turned back over